Good morning, friends. Today we are dealing with three letters. They are KSA. These three letters help us to reach success. First of all, K. K stands for knowledge, S stands for skill, and A for attitude. If we have these three qualities, that is, first of all, knowledge. We must have knowledge first. What is knowledge? Knowledge is our knowing about things around us. Our knowing means we now we don't know certain things and we do not know certain things. If we want to know more, we have to learn more. So by learning more, we attain knowledge. So knowledge is attained through the process of learning. Process of learning is you have to understand what we see, hear and all. Not only seeing but also understanding. So when we understand what we see through observation, actually what is happening, we are learning something. Learning is the process of associating ideas. So whatever ideas we have, we are associating certain more ideas. So that is how we learn something. So the learning process helps us to have more knowledge. So our knowledge is happening because of the learning process, and it's a process of information, motivation, inspiration, and finally transformation. The first part of learning is information. That means we gather some information first, and when we go through the information at a certain point of time, we are motivated by some information. So we give more priority to some information. That means our certain information becomes more live. Then when we go further, at a certain point of time, we are inspired by certain information. So the inspiration happens and we focus on that information. Then finally, because of inspiration, we reach a level of transformation. So transformation is the fourth level. So when transformation happens, whatever knowledge we are gathering, that knowledge is now fully in our mind. We are able to have this knowledge with the process of comprehension, conception, contemplation. Comprehension is choosing the knowledge, and conception is after choosing it, we are storing some knowledge out of it, that is conception. Then contemplation is we are going into that knowledge and finding out the essence of the knowledge, that is through contemplation. So contemplation is the third process. Through contemplation we reach the essence of something, that is our knowledge is now more perfect. That is happening in the case of the last process, that is contemplation. So we are dealing with information, motivation, inspiration, and finally transformation. That's about knowledge. Now we come to the second aspect, knowledge, then skill. Skill is something which we can develop through practice. Whatever knowledge we have, we develop the knowledge through practice. For example, we are seeing a person typing now, and we are seeing the same person after 6 months. After 6 months, what is happening? He is becoming a typist. How he becomes a typist? Through practice. So through practice, one's knowledge becomes skill. So our knowledge also becomes skill through practice. So we need knowledge, and at the same time we want to make it skill through practice. So when we make our knowledge skill through practice, then we become more confident. That confidence is the key to success. We become confident through practice. That's practicing our knowledge. That is skill. So knowledge must be there, skill must be there, and finally is KSA. A stands for attitude. So in our life, whatever we do, we must have a great attitude. Attitude is our altitude. Attitude means we must have a positive energy, or we want to do something positively, something good, and that attitude is the positive attitude. So if we have that attitude, whatever we do will be positive. So that is the third one, is attitude. So knowledge must be there, skill must be there, finally attitude must be there. If we can combine knowledge, skill and attitude, then we reach success. For reaching success, there are three letters here. One is K, second is S, and third is A, KSA. So may God help you to reach success. Thank you very much.